Hey friends, welcome back to Homeschool-ology. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4. I have a 7th grader, 3rd grader, and then 5 and 3-year-old who are doing like a kind of a pre-K level. And on this channel I talk to you guys about secular homeschooling, motherhood, having a larger family, traveling with a larger family, and everything in between. And today's video is going to be another Kiwi Co crate unboxing. So this one was the February box, February 2023 box, and this was my kiddos' Christmas present from my mother. So it's not a sponsored video at all. I just thought, you know, we love them and I thought you guys might love them too. They're a great little addition to our homeschool. You know, the kids are learning in a really fun way, and they're just really enjoying them, and the cost is pretty decent too. So I am getting the Koala crate for my 3-year-old and the Kiwi crate for my 5-year-old, but there are more crates than that. They go all the way up to adult basically, and so in this video I'm going to be showing you both the Koala and the Kiwi Co crates. So each of the crates, this is the Koala crate, each crate comes with like an activity and then directions on how to do that activity. And this one she made a jellyfish and a firefly and a mushroom lantern, and they were really cute activities. They had a really good time. Yes, baby. So this is her little mushroom that she made. Did you like doing your mushroom? Yeah, was it fun? Yeah. Can you say hello to everyone? No. Okay. So she really enjoyed doing that. My older daughter does help her do her crates. I wouldn't say she could do them on her own. She definitely needs somebody to kind of like guide her along with it. But she is able to do a lot of it herself as she's guided. And then they all come with a little book that is like activities and stories and things that they can do. And the Koala crate comes with book recommendations as well in the back of the book. So so far this is our second one and she is loving it. This one was really cute, lots of little activities. Before we go any further, I hope you would head on down and subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell so you can see when more videos like this are coming out, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of thing, if you like seeing these unboxings to see what is inside these kind of crate things, subscription boxes that you guys can get. The next one is the Kiwi crate, and this was the mechanical sweeper that they built. So it's the booklet with the instructions on how to build what's in the box, and then the little activity booklet that's got stories and activities in it. So same thing, these are all very useful and helpful. And then his little mechanical sweeper that he bought are made here. Again, he's 5 and he doesn't build it completely on his own. He does require some assistance from an older sibling, but he's still able to do a lot of it and still learning a lot. My daughter just pointed out that this booklet, the one with the story in it, does have like other activities that you can do with resources that you have at your house. So so it is like you get a lot for your money, and I think they're really worth it, and my kids are loving them. They get really excited when they get here. So I'm gonna switch to a video of them like opening it and seeing what's inside and putting the things together, and I'll meet you back here at the end.
I have another box. I got 2 boxes.
You only got 1 box. Got 1 box. Show me what it is. Yeah. Cool.
I got this too. I got another one.
You got another one?
Yep. So I got stickers, Mom.
Stickers? Don't take it from her when she's looking at it.
What's that? It looks like... What's inside?
It's like stuffing. What the heck is this?
What's this?
I see it. Oh, it's foam. Let me see what's in here. Some sort of stuff.
A sock?
Or, what the? It's a weird sock.
Why is this again?
It's a pop cleaner. Paint cleaner.
Stickers!
Let's see. Show mommy.
Stickers.
What is that of? What's on there?
The animals.
Animals that live where?
In the
sea.
In the sea. Good job.
Aspen, look.
What the? What's that? What? It's like bubbles.
Bubbles.
Right? Ouch. That.
That's for the jellyfish legs.
Yeah.
Those are the jellyfish.
These are like the circus. Oh, I find a fish.
Yeah.
Alright, you gonna go build it?
Yep.
Alright, buddy.
Look at all these circus.
Show me what you got.
Look at this.
Cool.
Turn them around.
It's a robot.
Can you show me?
It's a robot.
Can you hold it up?
It's a thing that cleans stuff.
A Roomba, but
A mechanical sweeper. Cool. Can you show me what's in the box?
We got these. And these for sweeping.
Cool.
What do you want to do first?
I don't know what these are.
Show.
Oh, there's a boat. Jellyfish. I'm guessing we need this.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Oh, we can paint it.
You can paint it? Oh, that's exciting.
Wait, don't open it yet.
Not yet. Show me what's in the rest of the stuff in the box.
Yes, Aspen, you gotta stop.
This is
Oh my god.
these pieces.
Are you gonna build it?
And pom-poms.
Keep going until they go on the machine. Cool, dude. So fun. Whoa! Is your jellyfish dancing? Good job, kiddo. So that was our second Kiwi Co box, and already my second oldest daughter, so a third child, has said that she wants to get Kiwi Co crates for her age for her birthday this year. So these have been a hit. They're something that the kids are really, really enjoying, and I think we're going to continue doing for at least a little while. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. I think I have a referral link that I'll be putting down in the comments for you guys. So if you guys want to check one out, I really appreciate you using the referral link.
What's this?
Okay, just a minute, okay? And that is all I have for you guys today. So I will talk to you guys again real soon. Bye.